Quick unboxing lang for this model na Black Edition. Ayan o, yung box niya. Siyempre, as usual, delivered by DHL. Para mabilis. So, ayan siya. Ayan yung kasama sa box. It's a slip-on set for Honda XIDB 750. Siyempre, it comes with the material of real carbon tip to, yan, or cup, and also with its heat guard shield, yan. Also, syempre it's a real carbon also. So Black Edition kasi may isa din nito yung silver plain color na titanium look. Ito yung rear nya, yung back, ayan, yung engrave sa likod. So ganda. Ayan. And this part is for the silencer. If you remove this, you can see the Allen lock for this suppressor. Yan, yung suppressor nya. Nakalasin mo lang yung nasa likod. It's just an Allen. So you can remove this part. Gusto nyo ito lang, wala yan. So ayan, quick unboxing lang. Yun, again, it's for Honda XIDB 750. This is supposed to be delivered directly door to door to clients address sa ano pero since it was declared as remote area, so I don't have a choice to deliver it to my address. And after this, sent to LBC. Stainless clamp para doon sa connection no stock header, elbow, and siya stainless. Okay, that's it. If you want to order, may hit us a message, FB page or FB, or even in my YouTube. That's it.